Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to put some vinyl on a water bottle because I'm wanting to get better at that this summer of drinking all the ounces that I'm supposed to. So I've seen where everybody's been taking these like water bottles. Everybody I think's been buying like the plain ones and then putting the vinyl, whatever saying you want on the front. And then they're putting the times on the back just like this. So what I did was I found my water bottle. I'm hoping you guys can see that. So it says need vitamin C. I thought it was cute. I found mine at Walmart. These are about $3 and something. And it says it's made by Trenton eco-friendly shadow resistant bottle. And now these are like $3 something like I said, but I'm sure they have the plain ones at Walmart as well as I'm sure the Dollar Tree has them, TJ Maxx, Ross's, things like that. But I have found this one. I thought it was cute, so then I cut out half the time and vinyl, but it's already there, and I just got to do the back. So what I did was I took my ruler here, and then I just kind of figured out, you know, everybody else is kind of doing 5 lines and then the time and everything. So what I did was figure out if I did them about an inch apart, where that would land me, and then to be able to have this refill. So mine should come somewhere kind of like right in here to finish up. And I know this is clear so you can't really see, but that's how I did mine. So mine is going to be an inch apart. So what I did in Design Space here, let me zoom you guys in. So in Design Space, what I did was I took a shape. So I went in and got a square just like this, scoot it over. So what I did was I hit unlock, just like, oop, let me scoot it over, make sure you guys can see. All right, so I hit unlock, just like that. And then I went to actions, no, edit. Okay, so then I came in here and I know that I want it to be 3 inches wide because I went and took my ruler to kind of see about where I wanted it to land. So I went in and put that I wanted it 3 inches wide, and then high I put in 0.05, just like that. So that's how I got my line. Then I hit lock, and then I just hit duplicate. Then what I did was let me show you real quick. So what I did, so you know that this is our, each of these squares here, this is our inch. So what I did was, and it's kind of zoomed out there, but you can tell that these squares are inch marks. So what I did was just grab it up and then set it right there at that inch mark. And I have my smart guide on. Sorry, let me scoot this over. Okay, so I have my smart guide on so that way it can help me line these up. So what I then did was come back to actions. I hit duplicate and then just kept, let me grab it. It wants to be silly right now. Let me scoot you guys back out. There we go. All right, so what I did was just grab it like this. And then just, you could see the smart guides, those little yellow lines. That's what helps line it up. So I know I want them an inch apart. So I just come down to the inch mark here. Those smart guides help me line it up. I hit duplicate again and do the same thing. Just coming down to the inch mark. So that's how I did that. And then once you do that, you would just select them like this, hit weld. That way this is now one solid piece. And like I said, you do 5 lines just like that. Then what I did was I just took some font, created my my numbers and letters, and just kept them all the exact same size. What I did was the AM and the PM, I would just take it. Let me go ahead and show you guys that really quick, just so you guys kind of know. And I'll have this link down below. I'll share this one just in case you want to use it. You could always go back in and take out this seashells and do whatever you wanted to do. So what I did was just come to text. Okay, and I used Beach Society. That's what I used. And so say I typed in 8 a.m. Okay, just like this. All right, so what I then did was I went, let me bring this back down. All right, so what I did was select it, came to actions, I hit ungroup. All right, so then I just selected let me undo that. I just selected the AM and the AM just like this, and then I went to, let me see, actions, and I hit weld. So now these two are together. So that way each time I could just hit duplicate. So that way I could keep them the exact same size. So I did the same thing with the PM that way. And then all I had to do was just keep doing the numbers, and I just kept them the same exact size. So once I got it sized down, just keep. So what I did was, so say that, say I needed my numbers here. Let me exit out of that. Let me go to text. So I'm going to need 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What I did was just go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just like that. What I did was once again hit action, ungroup. There we go. So now I have my 8, my 9. I can select my 10. select my 11. Oop, undid that, but you get the point. So that way each time, and then I would just weld those together or attach them. So that way, so if it's a 10, I would attach it, obviously, just like that. So that way now they're together, and that way they all stay the exact same size. So I hope you guys found this helpful. That's how, you know, and then I would just kind of line them up just like this using my little smart guides. That way they all stayed in the same rows. So I'm hoping this will help you guys if you guys want to create your own water bottle. But like I said, I'll also have this file just linked down below in case you just want to print it out. Now, the vinyl let me zoom you guys back out. The vinyl I'm going to use today are these sheets here. I found these at Hobby Lobby the other day. They are at $1.99 and they are by the Paper Studio, which this last week, which is not going to be currently when you watch this, which actually if you watch this, yeah, this week's sale, it's not on, but you know that Hobby Lobby has the sale on the Paper Studio all the time, 50% off. So I only got these for $1, but still $1.99 for these is not bad because they're designer, but still, if you can catch it on the sale for $1 a piece, I would do that. But anyways, I got this one here, and this is the one I'm going to use today on the water bottle. I thought it would just go really cute with this. So we're going to cut this whole thing out with the same color just to kind of see what it does. And then I also picked up this one here. They had a ton to choose, but I liked this one. And then I also like this one. So I'll be using these in future videos, so just stay tuned. But I'm fixing to find out how well these are going to hold up with the wash and stuff like that, and whether they're a good vinyl. So I'll be the one to test them out for you guys, so that way you guys know. But I really love this one's pretty cool. So I thought today would be a great day to go ahead and try this one out. And I'm hoping, since this is going to be a little bit smaller, obviously, that it's going to come out okay and you can see the mixes of the colors. So let me go ahead and cut this out, weed it, and we'll be right back to put it on the bottle. Okay, so now that I've got it all cut out, I just kind of put some things under here to prop it so that way it's going to go right where it needs to go. So hopefully, let me zoom you guys back out a little bit. Okay, so I've already got it picked up with my contact paper. And so what I'm going to do is try to figure out how to center this as best as possible. So something like that. And what I'm going to do is work from one side to the next. So I'm just going to kind of push this side down and then slowly push down this side. So once I have it on there, I can pick it up because now I have it exactly where I need to be. I love how it came out with the colors from those sheets from Hobby Lobby. So what I'm going to do is just take my little Cricut tool here and burnish these in really good. All right, let me go ahead and test this and see how well this is going to work out. So I'm just going to work from the bottom and go up. You could always go from one side to the next, however you feel comfortable. So I think I've got more control this way, and it looks like I did that pretty good. So that's what it looks like. I love with these sheets. And like I said, I got them for $1 because you know that brand goes on sale all the time at Hobby Lobby. So but for $1.99 still, I think it's pretty affordable for these because they're really, really cute. So what I'm going to do is I'll just kind of re-rub over it. I'm not going to seal it with anything. And then I'm going to wash it because I just wash it in a regular sink, not a dishwasher, over time. And I'll probably update you guys in about a month and just see how it goes. But I just wanted to show you guys how to design this in Design Space. And like I said, I'm also going to share this file down below. You can always take these pieces off the seashells. But I love the way that came out. So this was what it looked like before. And this is what it looks like. So hopefully you guys can see that really good with that white. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.